Hello, friends. Do you want to learn African drum? Well, you are at the right place. Let's go!
Hello everyone, my name is Emily. No, I'm Emily. I know they know. Anyway, welcome to Kids African Drum course.
On a previous video, I already taught you the beats. Today we are going to play them in a different speed, from slower speed to the fast one. Let's start with the speed of 60.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's increase the speed to 80.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our basic exercises. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you will see our new videos, and please share with your friends and families too. Goodbye!